Yeah, in this video we are talking about the EC2, the Elastic Compute Cloud. So it is this is the most useful service in the Amazon AWS. So in you are going to search for that EC2 instance, like the type, so in the Google, so you can find that the AWS documentation, and after that you can click that link. So here I have some type of instance, like the general purpose instance, and for the compute optimization the C6G, and memory type optimization, memory optimized, accelerated computing, storage optimized, and instance features. So many type of the server you have. So based on your purpose, like that the what server you are require, so you can choose that. And some of the burstable T2 T3 is the burstable server, so all type of the servers is here. So you can learn from there. So you can just tap there, and you can note down that the how what is this, what is the purpose and what is the use for that, like that the compute optimization. So you can check that the CPU is more than the other category, the CPU is more. And you can check with the memory optimization, so you can check that the memory is the huge memory they already have. And you can just general purpose, if you check that they are kind of configured the same type of the servers, like that the 2 GB 2 BCP 8 GB RAM, the normal servers for the general purpose. And you can check that the every. So you can just follow that the features, price, instance, all these things. Okay. So next video we just check that the how to create a servers, EC2 servers, and step by steps. Thank you so much.